Good morning friends and welcome back to my channel. Today it's my 11th day of practicing English. Yesterday I showed you how the sky had become cloudy. The entire sky was completely overcast. I also told you that judging the sky, it seemed as if it was going to rain all day. But yesterday it didn't rain much during the day. It remained cloudy for whole the day. However, it started raining continuously after the evening, and it has been raining continuously from yesterday evening until this morning. Now the rain has become lighter, and now the rain has stopped, and it is not raining heavily as before. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it stopped raining, and still it seems that it might rain throughout the day, throughout the whole day. For throughout the it may rain for whole day. It looks like, looking at the sky. I woke up at around 5 o'clock this morning, and after getting up at 5 o'clock, I went to the bathroom, and then I came back to bed again and lay down, but I couldn't fall asleep. You know what happens when I woke up like that? So many thoughts starts coming into my mind. I started thinking about how I would make today's video, how it could improve, how I will improve my English, how quickly I could become fluent in English, which area I needed to practice more, and many other things about my household, my family, my son, my daughter, etc. etc. It keeps coming in my mind if I wake up early in the morning. I kept turning from one side to another. When I looked at the clock, it was already 5:30. So I quietly got up, and I thought that why don't I go up right now on the rooftop and practice my English for a while. So I simply washed my face. I didn't brush my teeth yet and comb my hair. I simply got up on the rooftop and watching the atmosphere. The sky looks quite beautiful today. It's a cloudy sky. Birds are chirping and flying across the sky, and I'm watching the sky and following the movement of the clouds. Today, I can see the clouds moving from northeast sky towards the southwest sky. The entire sky is filled with clouds. Normally, during the monsoon season, as we studied in geography, the monsoon winds come from a particular direction. The southwest monsoon enters West Bengal from the southwest. But what I'm observing today seems to be completely the opposite. The clouds are moving from the northern towards to the southwest. You can understand it clearly if you look carefully at the sky. I really enjoy watching the sky like this and observing which direction the clouds are moving in. Especially after studying geography, I have become very interested in observing the movement of clouds at different times and understanding which direction they are moving in. I find it fascinating to observe the sky and the cloud in this way. How many of you also enjoy watching the sky and observing the clouds like this? Please let me know in the comments. তো এখন আমি কিছু খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ সেন্টেন্স যেটা আমি এই যে এতক্ষণ ধরে যে ডেসক্রাইব করলাম আমার অ্যাটমসফিয়ারকে, তো সেখান থেকে কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ সেন্টেন্সকে একটু তুলে ধরছি বাংলা মানে সমেত, ঠিক আছে? দ্য স্কাই ওয়াজ কমপ্লিটলি ওভারকাস্ট, আকাশ পুরোপুরি মেঘাচ্ছন্ন ছিল। ইট হ্যাজ বিন রেইনিং কন্টিনিউয়াসলি সিন্স ইয়েস্টারডে ইভিনিং, গতকাল সন্ধে থেকে একটানা বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। দ্য রেইন হ্যাজ বিকেম লাইটার, বৃষ্টি কমেছে। আই কুডন্ট ফল অ্যাসলিপ, আমি ঘুমাতে পারিনি, মানে আমার ঘুম আসেনি। সো মেনি থটস স্টার্টেড কামিং ইনটু মাই মাইন্ড, অনেক রকম চিন্তা আমার মাথায় আসতে শুরু করলো। আই কেপ্ট টার্নিং ফ্রম ওয়ান সাইড টু দ্য আদার, আমি বারবার এপাশ ওপাশ করতে থাকলাম। আই কেম স্ট্রেট টু দ্য রুফটপ, আমি সোজা ছাদে চলে আসলাম। আই এম ওয়াচিং দ্য মুভমেন্ট অফ দ্য ক্লাউডস, আমি মেঘের গতিবিধি দেখছি। ইট সিমস টু বি কমপ্লিটলি দ্য অপোজিট, এটা সম্পূর্ণ বিপরীত বলে মনে হচ্ছে। আই ফাইন্ড ইট ফ্যাসিনেটিং টু অবজার্ভ দ্য স্কাই, আকাশ পর্যবেক্ষণ করতে আমার খুব ভালো লাগে। তো আজকের ভিডিওতে এতটুকুনি ছিল। টুডেজ ভিডিও দ্যাটস অল ফর টুডেজ ভিডিও, and I will came back in another video. Till then, I hope you will be safe, healthy, and you will practice your English every single day. For today, tata, bye bye.